Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a backlit text effect in Adobe Illustrator. Start with a 1920x 1080 artboard, then use the type tool to add your text. And set the color to light gray. Next, go to the Effect menu, choose 3D and Materials, then Extrude and Bevel. In the Object section, click on the plane and select the Isometric Light preset. Move to the Lighting options, uncheck Ambient Light. Turn on Shadows and set the position to below the object. Follow the rest of my settings. Then click the render button, and that's it. Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. For more great graphic design tutorials, subscribe to Asim Design channel.